In this video, I will show you how to add your name on your iPhone lock screen. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Start by opening your iPhone home screen. Go to the top right corner and swipe down on the screen to open the Control Center. Over here, tap and hold the focus icon as shown. Now, go to the bottom and tap on the plus icon to create a new focus. From here, choose a focus to get started. If you want a customized focus, then select Custom. Once you're here, type in the name of your focus in the text bar. You can also change the font color and icon if you want to. After that, tap on Next. Then, tap on Customize Focus at the bottom. You have now successfully created a new focus. Now go back to your home screen and open the Control Center. Tap and hold the focus icon again. Here, tap on the focus you just created to turn it on. After you're done, go to your lock screen. You can now see the focus name on your lock screen. And that's it. Now, you can easily add your name on your iPhone lock screen.